Yeah, I'm gonna try this new product out. You can see I gotta shave my head every 3 days, 2 days. So I'm gonna use this new product called OmniShaver. It's just the fastest shaving thing so far. So I love this one. Mr. John, he sent it to me. I love this. I can shave my whole head within 1 minute. So I'm just telling you, not like other products. I know some other products in the market, it says half time or something, but trust me, you still have to clean that thing. It just two razors hook up with another piece of thing. You still have to clean it after few. So, but this one, you don't need to do anything. It's self-cleaning. So you gotta keep going until you finish. So let's do this, alright? I'm gonna use this conditioner because I tried with shaving gel and stuff, but I love to use this conditioner because when it's wet and slippery, I feel like it does the best job. Let me see. From now, you can count my timing. I'm going to start now. Just going to do this thing, back and forth. You can see it's cleaning nicely. This thing saves my time a lot. I recommend anybody this one. If you buy that, whenever it comes in the market, you won't regret. Touch up by missing spot. Done. Right, you can see how clean this shave. It's great. Less than 1 minute. And I gotta wash my hand. Just wipe it down to show you. Thank you for watching, guys.